Hi, good morning. Today is Friday, and right now I'm in front of our yard taking pictures of these creatures. See them? There are four of them. They're looking at me, and I'm coming towards them. Actually, I'm a little far yet, and think they're hungry. And well, most of the people here, they don't take the deers because they destroy the plants. But then that is the way for them to live. That's the only way to eat. And it's just a bad thing that sometimes their flowers and their decorative plants are being attacked by these deers. But well, it's a small price to pay for some creatures to be in your yard. And well, for me, yes, it is. See them? Yeah, they're looking at me now, and uh, I wish they don't run away. I've heard a car coming, but well, it's no gun. So stay there. I'm coming at you. Yeah. I'm going to post this in my Yahoo 360, and stay there. I will not harm you. Okay. Tonight is our Thanksgiving again, and actually at 12 noon, Miss Anne, my first sponsor in Korea, will pick me up for well, I haven't seen her since I came here in the States for more than a year, and we will see each other, including the children. And but she has to bring me back home before 5 because I'm going to the church at 5:30. Hi, look at me. Come, I'm coming nearer you. Oh, there you are. Oh, I don't know. I find this very, see, they're running now. Very exciting and unusual. For me, this is a very unusual thing because we don't have this kind of you can see deers in the yards in the Philippines. Oh, the people will just kill them and serve them in their dinner table. See, they're running now. Oh, there you are. Bye. There they are. Oh, they're all scattered. And okay, they're in the yard now of Miss Roshi. Okay, thank you.